Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with my Toro Timemaster. This is a couple years old now. I've had about 2 seasons, and it's been a great mower. But there's a definite flaw with it, and I think I've talked about it in my previous Timemaster videos, and that is with the blade engagement cable. That's this cable here, and as you can see, it has broken. I do believe this is about the, let me get this to focus for you here on the cable, maybe, come on camera, still trying to get used to this camera, not sure why it's not focusing. Sorry about the hand injury there. I do have an injury on the hand. I'm trying to get this to focus for you. There you go. So it broke right there, and the way this cable, this is the one that's the top cable, if you're looking at the top of your mower. And the bottom one, I'm not sure what the bottom one does. There's two cables that run. So you got one right here, and then you have this one that runs down this tube, and it goes down. And this one that broke runs up to inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the cover off and see where it connects, where that cable goes, and see if I can figure out where it's exactly breaking at, because this is at least the third time that I know of, and it's possibly been 4 or 5 times that this is now broken in the 2 years that I've had this unit. So definitely a design flaw. Toro, if you guys are watching this video, if you put something out or figure out why it's doing that. So I'm gonna take that plastic cover off real quick and take a look at it, and if I find the issue, I'll show you what it's doing. So hang tight. Alrighty, so it looks like the brake is right here, and if I had to guess, it's where this rubber sheathing is, where it stops. You can kind of see I have it lit up for you. It's almost right where it stops is where it breaks at. You guys see that? So I don't know. I don't know if water gets in here and lays right here, but that's, I don't know if it's I guess it's not really corrugated, but that's definitely where it keeps breaking. And every cable that's broke so far, that's where it breaks. So it's not due to dirt or dust. As you can see, there is some. So alrighty.